Description: a moisturizing and repairing hair wash. Combines the benefits of a shampoo and conditioner in one innovative formula. Benefits: helps gently cleanse and detangle hair while delivering intense moisture. Suggested use: for all hair types. Massage into hair and rinse. No need for an additional shampoo or conditioner. Use 2 to 3 pumps. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful all-in-one shampoo, conditioner that add moisture and body to dry hair. This is an excellent all-in-one shampoo conditioner that adds moisture to the hair. It does not lather up like traditional hair shampoos. You just work it into your hair. I also take a wide tooth comb and comb it through. Rinses are beautifully. My hair has body, is soft and smooth, no frizz at all.